If you live in a state with low taxes, you'll keep more of what you earn. But figuring out which states extract the least amount of pain from your paycheck isn't easy. Some states with low income tax rates impose high property taxes. Others hit you at the cash register with high sales taxes. Our list of the 10 tax-friendliest states recognizes states where the overall tax burden is the most manageable. At the top of our list is Delaware, which has no state sales tax. Its income tax rate ranges from 2.2% to 6.75%. The highest rate, which applies to taxable income above $60,000, drops to 6.6% in 2014. Delaware also has some of the lowest property taxes in the U.S. Gas taxes are 23 cents per gallon, below the national average of 31 cents. Even sin taxes are modest. You'll pay just 16 cents in taxes for a gallon of beer or 97 cents for a gallon of wine. Next in line is Wyoming. Thanks to revenue from oil and gas, residents of the cowboy state pay no income tax. The state sales tax is 4%, although counties can add another 3%. Prescription drugs and most groceries are exempt from state sales taxes. Property taxes are modest, and the tax on beer is 2 cents a gallon, the lowest in the U.S. At number 3 in our ranking of tax-friendly states is Louisiana, which has the lowest property taxes in the country. State income tax rates range from 2% to 6%, with the top rate applying to taxable income above $50,000. Gas taxes are 20 cents per gallon, well below the national average. The state sales tax is 4%, but in some parishes, local taxes boost the combined total to 10.75%. To see how all 50 states and the District of Columbia rank, go to Kiplinger.com and search taxes.